Hi everyone, I am super happy to announce today our first ever Archi9 Learn workshop. Myself, along with Timon, one of the lead creatives at Archi9, are going to be doing a workshop on an image review and portfolio review. This is also going to be a live workshop, so I'm super excited to share this with you. Through the years, we've had the privilege and the luck to work with some of the world's biggest names, and I think we want to retribute a little bit of that and share it with you. We want you to see through our eyes and really give you that extra experience to transform your images and your portfolio into that next level. You'll be learning such things as how to strategically direction your portfolio, in which direction it is that you want to go. And do you want to be a visualization artist? Do you want to be an all-rounder? Do you want to be the type that just does very high-end visualization? You're going to learn a little bit about this and a little bit about the various fields that you could go into. You're going to understand as well the key elements of your images that you can really improve on, and what it is as a globality of your work to really focus on, and what it is that you can really improve quite quickly on. We're going to be doing overpaints of some selected works from you guys, and we're going to be showing you through our eyes how we perceive those images and how you can quickly improve certain things, whether it be fog, depth, distance, people, entourage. There is a panoply of things that you can really improve in your images, and I think that is one of the most key valuable things. Lastly but not least, you're also going to be a part of the Archi9 family, and we can't wait to welcome you here. So guys, what are you waiting for? Please sign up below. The first 5 have a discount. We do have limited spaces, and really I can't wait to meet you and analyze your work along with Timon. Have a good one, and don't forget, do it in post.